everyone, this is Jackie from Peanut Butter Baby Designs. Just wanted to let you know I'm starting a YouTube channel that will have how-tos on sewing and embroidery, applique, and about all my machines and what I've learned along the way, as well as new designs and a lot of in the hoop tutorials. I know there's a lot out there on YouTube, and I'm sure you guys found them, and there's amazing ones there. Hopefully I can teach you something a little new or something that will help you out for your specific machine. I hope that I can share my knowledge and let you know a little bit about me. I have been sewing since I was 5 years old. My mom taught me how to sew. She's amazing and a much better seamstress than I am and a much better sewer, but I always can learn from her and give her a call when I have questions. So I am very thankful that she taught me how to sew. I have been sewing for Peanut Butter Baby Designs for about 5 years now. I started sewing more after college when I had friends and family having babies, and I just missed sewing and having that creative outlet. So I started Peanut Butter Baby Designs, and I sewed children's clothing and hooded towels, dolls and accessories, and just whatever I feel like sewing at the time and I enjoy. So hopefully through these YouTube videos you'll be able to find your creative outlet and learn some new things. You can always ask me questions. I'll be as honest as I can and tell you what I know, and I'm an open book, so I like to share what I've learned and the tricks I've learned and what I've learned from the amazing sewing community on Facebook. I've met a lot of good friends through there and learned a lot. I'll definitely share the groups that I like and that I learn a lot from. Not very active in them. I try to give advice when I know it, but I do learn a lot and I do follow them a lot. Kind of one of those stalker people that like to learn, but I don't say much unless I know for sure the answer is right, because I don't want to give bad advice. But I hope that you guys will join me on this journey. I'll be honest, I'm very new to YouTube, so I'm gonna learn all of that fun stuff. So hopefully you guys will subscribe and follow me along this journey. Thanks so much. If you have questions about me or want to learn more, let me know and I will start doing some more videos. Thank you.